25.5. Hit down 25.5 here. Hit a bit, 25.5 here. Hit a bit, 26,000. Hit down 26,000. Now 5. Hit down 26.5. Hit down 26,000. 26 2.5. I'll help you. Hit down 250. Hit down 26. 2.5. 26 2.5. You're looking for a motor. You got hardly any holes on it all. There you are.
I thought he was.
26,000. That's 2.5. Hit down 26 2.5. You bet you load it down for you boys. 26,000. 2.5.
Get in there.
Yeah, 26,000 now, 250. Now 26,000 now, 2.5. 26,000 now, 250. Now 26,000 take her home, gentlemen. 26,250. Now 26,000 and 2.5. Here's the guys. 26,000 now, 250.
One more time.
What's that? What's $250 lefty?
That is nothing to those guys.
And now 26,000 and 2.5. And now 26,000 now, 250. Here now 2.5. And now 26,500. And now 26,750. And now 26,000 now, 750. Here now 750. Here now 26,000 and 7.5. And now 750. Here now 27.5. And now 26,000. Internet now 7.5. Does anybody else want in? 26,000 and 7.5. And now 26,000 and 7.5. Take her home.
I don't want to get in the picture.
Does anybody else want to be in? And now 26,000.
Give me 6. Just give me 100 more.
Please.
I'll flip you for it. If you get it, you win, and if not, I'll pay it. 26.6. Go ahead. 26.6. If you get it, I'll pay it. I'm sure she'll bid again. Go ahead. Try her. You ain't out nothing. 26.1. 26.1.
Johnny, one more time.
Come on.
I think you got so.
Give it to him.
Sold 26,500.
You're no fun.
26,500.
It was cheaper this way.
$18. Now 18, now 5, now 19, now 5, and 19.5, give it all out. 19.5, and now $20,000. You now 20,005, and 20,005, and 5, give it around. Now 1, and 21, you know 1, now 5, and 21.5, and get 1, and get 21.5, and 21.5, and now 2, and 22, now 5, 22.5, 22.5, 23, and 22.5, 3. Long ways from a new price, and it's a new skid load. $23,000. $23,000. We're 22.5 bid. 23,000. At 22.5 on 1 3. Then you get 22.7.5. And now 3. And now 23. I get 22.7.5. 23. 23.2.5. 23.5. 23.7.5. 24,000. And 2.5. 24.2.5. 24.5. 24.7.5. 25,000. And 2.5. 25.2. Now you get 25.5. 25.5. 25.7.5. Now $26,000. And 26.2.5. 26.2. And then get 26.5. 26.5. 26.5. Now 26.7.5. 26.7.5. 26.7. And get 27. At 27,000. And 27.2.5. 27.1.2.5. And 27's a bid. 2.5. Ask you to get 27.2.5. Yep. 27.250. And 27.5. 27.5. 27.7.5.
He says go one more time,
27's down, wait up. I got 27.7.5. 28. $28,000. We have 27.750 bid. $28,000. Jeffrey, talk to him. At 28,000, they got no 28. At 27, we get $28,000 here, y'all down. 28, we get $28,000 here. 27,750 now, $28,000.
Bruce, 28.
So, right down front. Thank you all. 27,750.